Hey guys, so Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and when I was younger, I used to bring you some Valentine's Day ab workouts, but let's be honest, this year things are a little different, and instead I'm focusing on food. I'm gonna be sharing with you one of my favorite Valentine's Day almond truffle recipes. This is vegan, but it does have almonds, so the kids probably won't be able to bring it to school, but you can enjoy them at home and after school. So you're gonna need 1 cup of pitted dates, a ½ cup of almond meal or almond flour, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, two tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. We're gonna blend it for about a minute until it's all smooth into one ball mixture. That's going to be the base for our balls, and we're gonna roll them in a mixture of dried coconut and also freeze-dried raspberries to give them that red Valentine's Day feel. So I'm just gonna take the 2 tablespoons of coconut and put them in a shallow dish. And then I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of freeze-dried raspberries. And now I'm just gonna mash it up. So now I'm just gonna take the balls and about, an inch in diameter, I'm going to create a ball, just like that. It's nice and sticky. We're just gonna roll it around in the mixture. There we go. You can store these in an airtight container or put them in the refrigerator and enjoy them all week long. And voila, here are our Valentine's Day almond vegan truffles. These are delicious to eat as is. Have them after school or as a snack or as a dessert. Enjoy.